Hey, pretty lady, this goes out to you. This goes out to you, yeah. I know I see you like 1,000.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be cool just to do a little chill makeup video today. Just like a little bit of makeup therapy, if you will. I don't know, I just felt like doing something chill. So yeah, today I created like my everyday makeup look. Like this is something I would put on my face if I'm going out with friends, out to dinner or something, like something super simple but still like glam and beats. So yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because your girl's trying to get 10K subscribers. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, and if you guys want a hair tutorial, please let me know, because I was like gonna film one today, but I was like, there are so many ponytail videos on YouTube. I'm like, is it that deep for me to film one? But yeah, if you guys want me to, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching.
want to compromise?
A relationship is a relationship that has to be earned, not to compromise for. And I love relationships. I think they're fantastic. They're wonderful. I think they're great. I think there's nothing in the world more beautiful than falling in love. But falling in love for the right reasons, falling in love for the right purpose, falling in love